Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the Fiesta. Okay, this is the generation from 2008 to 2017 and we'll be showing you guys how to remove and replace the rear window motor. Okay, if yours doesn't work, we'll show you how to do that now on the rear door. Left and right side should be the same guys. We have more than 200 videos. Check out the playlist. Okay, and something coming to the channel, okay, that NEEWER said is right here guys, that we're rebuilding. Expect videos soon, and how we bought that wrecked vehicle as well. Okay guys, so what we'll need to do, okay, those are the tools that we'll be using: panel removal tools, screwdrivers. We really like those because they come with everything we need for those jobs, and we'll have the links for all the parts, okay, and tools that we use in the description of the video guys. So we're trying to save you some time, okay. So now we'll need to remove, okay, that cap. Okay, we need to open that cap, and okay, you can see we pulled it out. Okay, it has three teeth, so you have to be careful how you install that one later. Okay, we're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, okay, and we will remove, okay, that screw now. Okay, almost out. Okay, perfect. Now we have a few more things to do. We will need a Torx 25. This is the star looking bit, okay, and longer screwdriver, okay, like that. Okay, right here there is two more. Okay, let me get some light here. So you see that there is two more screws, and those are different than the one that we already removed. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Okay, second one is almost out now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to get a trim removal tool, and right here we need to pry that cap out of here. Okay, let me show you where the clip is on the bottom side. Okay, that's where it goes. Then stay with us. Once we remove the door panel, I'm going to show you where all the clips are, so you don't damage your door panel. Okay, and if you get usually your fingers underneath, you can pull it, but it might be really tight guys, because it really depends if it's been removed before or not. So we're going to go again. Okay, you can see it started popping. Okay, now right here on top we need to be careful. There is usually one more clip, I believe. Okay, perfect. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Let me show you how that happens, and I'm going to demonstrate what happened with some of the clips. So this cable now, okay, let me get some light on. Okay, this piece right here, okay, you need to, okay, push it towards the back. Okay, on both sides. Okay, and you pull it out. When you're ready to install it, okay, all you have to do, okay, bring the panel close to the thing. Okay, go in an angle like that. Okay, the panel is still a little bit short because the cable is short. I'm trying to get the camera in there. And next you will just, okay, need to click it like that, and it's stuck. And when you need to remove it, just press the thing, pull it out. Now we have the wires for the switch guys. That's for the window switch. And let's twist it so we can show you how to do that now. Okay, so there is one tooth there that you need to push back. I'm going to show you once we pull the cable. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, this one, okay, right here, it needs to go back, and then you pull the wires out. Now we have a problem guys. Okay, now we have some clips that actually stayed on the door, so we need to go ahead and remove those. Okay, you can see the white clips. Hope that was the head. Okay, we need to pull those things out, okay, and install them on the panel, otherwise you will not be able to install the door panel later. Okay, one is out, just one more to go, If you need replacement clips, we use some, so we'll share the link. Okay, and this one as well, you can see it's not all the way in, so you need to push it in, and those you just go from the bigger hole and you just push it. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, on the door panel, so you know where to apply pressure. Okay, so this is the front side. Okay, you have 3 right here and you have 4 on this side. Okay guys, we removed the door panel. Now we can get to the window motor, and we're going to use a Torx 25. Okay, that's okay, the star looking bit T25. Okay, that we're using, and there is 3 screws that we're removing here. Okay, and we'll be removing the wire after that, once we remove the screws. And you have to make sure that you hold the window up, okay, with one hand, or just tape it. Have a second person holding it, because it might drop when you remove the window motor. Okay, now just pull it out, straight out, don't twist. Okay, left or right. Okay, right there. Now, in order to disconnect the wires, you need to squish those in and pull out. Okay guys, and this is the window motor on that Ford Fiesta. Okay, right here. Okay guys, you get the new window motor now. If your window regulator is not working, we'll have the video how to replace that as well. It's quite a bit of work, but you definitely need to see it. Okay, so you don't break things like we did on one of them. Okay, and just click, push the wire in until it clicks in place. Okay, just like that. Now you have to install the motor like that. It has 3 glides that go there. Okay, if the teeth don't go in, you might need to move the window up or down a little bit, but ours went in really easy. We'll need to install the 3 screws now. Okay, right there, 1 is done and 2 more to go. That whole Fiesta, guys, will be taken apart, so we'll have video for almost everything. Okay, so all you need to do, put the door panel back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.